Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually upload a long Snapchat story in your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video. So to do so, first of all, we will simply just go to our Snapchat app right there. Go ahead and tap on your Snapchat app. This will open this kind of interface. Alrighty, so if you want to upload a long video in your story, you will simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon right there, tap on this add to my story option, and you will go ahead to choose a video from your camera roll. So for example, if you want to upload this video right there, okay, so it's 1 minute 21 seconds. So if you want to upload this video, Snapchat will automatically make it into parts and that's a different snap to upload it right there. It won't be uploaded as single one because the limit is for of 60 seconds, right? So to do so, you cannot do it directly from here. You will have to make your videos up to 60 seconds. And other thing that you can do is you can simply go ahead and launch any of the editing apps. So I have CapCut over there. You can simply go ahead to any of the editing apps. So you can upload your camera roll video there, and then you can simply speed up the speed of your video and make it up to 60 seconds for it to fit in your Snapchat story and make it a single video right there. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. This is the only way, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. And yes, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I will see you guys next time.